How to get voice chat on Roblox 2026 guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to unlock voice chat on Roblox in 2026 and start talking with your friends using your microphone? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the latest and easiest way to enable Roblox voice chat step by step. Whether you're using Android, iPhone, PC or tablet, this guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Roblox tips, updates and tutorials. Now, let's get started.